In the previous video we had a discussion regarding SR flip-flop. So let me tell once again how this SR flip-flop is going to work. Like when S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, okay, it retains its previous state. Means whatever the present state it might be, that will retain in the next state. Okay, if the present state is 0, the next state will be 0 only when S and R is equal to, both the inputs are 0 and 0. Okay, when S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, no matter whatever the input, whatever the present state might be, it might be 0 or it might be 1. Present state refers to Q. Okay, the next state will be set state, means it will change to 1 because S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. Whenever S is equal to 1, whenever R is equal to 0, I'm talking about the combination. Whenever S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0, it is called a set state. The output will change to 1. Okay, if the previous state is 1, it will remain to 1. If the previous state is 0, it will change to 1. Okay, whenever S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. Whenever R is equal to 0, whenever S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. Now, look at the combination. Whenever S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, it is called as reset state. So, no matter whatever the previous state might be, the previous state is 0 means next state will be 0. If the previous state is 1 means it will change to 0. Means reset means the output should be 0. Set means the output should be 1. That's it. And whenever S is equal to R is equal to 1, both 1 and 1, it's the inputs are not allowed. We can't predict what is the output actually in case of S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1. Okay, so keeping this in mind, coming with the next is JK flip-flop. This is exactly the same as SR flip-flop with only one small change. Okay, I can just tell this is an extension, this is an extended version of SR flip-flop. Okay, JK flip-flop is an extended version of SR flip-flop. So where in case of JK flip-flop, in case of SR flip-flop, we commonly refers to a set and reset, right? JK, set refers to J, reset refers to K. That's it. Here we call them as S and R. Here we call it as J and K. Rather than calling it as S, we call it as J. Rather than calling it as R, we call it as K. Here in case of JK flip-flop, and we have the answer for this one. So for the input S is equal to R is equal to 1, we don't have we don't know what exactly the output, right, in case of SR flip-flop, but we have a solution in case of JK flip-flop for that particular input. What happens when J is equal to 1 and K is equal to 1? Okay, so look at this. So keeping the SR flip-flop in mind, the table, let me write this one. So look at this. Whenever J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1, it refers to S and R. Same S and R, it works as if S and R. Okay, when both J and K are both on 0, it retains its previous state. Previous state is refers to PS, previous. This is Q. Q plus refers to next state. If the previous state is 0, next state will be also 0. It retains its previous state. Previous state 0 is next state 0 agate. So again 0 0. Previous state 1 is the next state again it will be 1. Okay. So then when S is equal to 0, J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1. That is nothing but S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. We call this a reset state. Reset state means the output will be 0. If the present state is 0, the output will remains as 0 itself. If the present state is 1, it will change to 0 because it's a reset. Okay, so this is S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. Nothing but J is equal to 1, K is equal to 0. J is equal to 1, K is equal to 0. These two. These two states we call as set state. Okay, whenever J is equal to 1, K is equal to 0, we call it as a set state. If the present state is 0, it will change to 1. If the present state is 1, it will remain as 1. Okay, next. So 1 and 1. This input combination was not allowed in case of SR flip-flop, but we are going to have a role in case of JK flip-flop. When J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1. If the present state is 0, next state will be 1. If the present state is 1, next state will be 0. Reverse of the present state. If the present state is 0, it will convert to 1. If the present state is 1, it will convert to 0. Toggle, we call it as a toggle. We call it as a toggle. Toggle refers to 0 to 1. If it is 0, it will change to 1. If it is 1, it will change to 0. Only for when both J and K are 1 and 1. When both J and K are 1 and 1, it will change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. We call this a toggle. So keeping this particular column, we have plotted a K-map here. So this is 0 1, 0 1, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So like this I have filled the this one 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have filled the K-map. I have plotted J bar, K bar, J bar, K, J, K and J, K bar. So I have made a pair here. This is one pair, and this folding, this is one pair. Two pairs. Don't go with this one. Okay. There is no horizontal pair. Only vertical. There is no vertical pair. So there is one horizontal pair. This is folding one pair. So by grouping this one, you are going to get this expression. So this is a characteristic expression of JK flip-flop. So in your examination, one most important question is write the characteristic equation, truth table, and flip-flop diagram of JK flip-flop, SR flip-flop, T flip-flop, and D flip-flop. All the four flip-flops they are going to ask. The question is, they will ask you to write the truth table, the K-map, characteristic equation, JK flip-flop, and the circuit diagram of all the four flip-flops, SR, JK, D flip-flop, and T flip-flop. So far I have done with D flip-flop and SR flip-flop. Now I am going to deal with JK flip-flop now. So this is a symbol of JK flip-flop, Q bar Q, K, and J. So look at the clause, we don't have a bubble here. So if we don't have a bubble means this particular JK flip-flop is going to change its operation only during the positive edge triggered. So it changes its state during only during the positive edge trigger. Positive edge trigger means this is how the waveform clock will be looking like this, right? Okay. If the so if you want to change Q to Q plus, like here, look at this, Q is 1. If you want to change this 1 to 0, a change must happen, no? When the input 0 and 1 is given, the output has to change from 1 to 0, right? If this 1 to 0 need to change means that will happen only during the positive edge, when the clock changes from 0 to 1. During this interval of time, when the clock moves from 0 state to 1 state, during this interval of time, from year to year, during this interval of time, this Q changes, the Q output will change. So when the clock is here, even though if you give 0, 1, 1, 0, whatever, it will wait until the clock moves from 0 to 1, during the positive edge trigger, then only the output will change. So this is what the positive edge trigger. So previously SR flip-flop we had discussed about negative edge trigger. There the output will change only during the negative edge. It will wait until the clock falls like this in SR. So but here positive edge trigger, in JK the system will changes only during the positive edge trigger. So let me take 4 possible combinations here. I have written a table here. JK inputs, Q is a present state, Q plus is a next state. Okay. So let me take the present state is equal to 1. Right now the Q output is 1. Okay, output is 1. Q bar is 0. If Q is 1, Q bar is 0. If Q is equal to 1, what would be the P? P is 0. If P is 0, what is P bar? 1. So you know that Q and P are complement of each other, right? You know this concept. So if Q is 1, obviously P will be 0. If Q bar is 0, obviously P bar will be 1, like this, complement of each other. So this is as I just told in the SR flip-flop, the same concept. This is master, this is slave. The circuit diagram changed a bit. Okay, you need to learn how to write the circuit diagram of SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop. So let me take, this is clock. Let me take now clock is equal to 0. So what is that? Clock is equal to 0 means right now the state is here. The system will change only during the positive edge trigger. When it moves from 0 to 1, then only Q changes. If clock is 0 means only the half of the circuit will be active. This is master will be active, and slave, S refers to slave, slave will be deactive. When does this slave will get active means when the state moves from 0 to 1. When the clock changes from 0 to 1, then the master will get deactive and the slave will get active. Okay, this is a master part, this is slave part. Okay, so master will be active when the clock is 0. When the clock is 0, use this NOT gate, this will get 1, right? So let me take the first combination, J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. So J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. Okay, if this is 0, so I forgot to write one more input. This is K. Okay, J is equal to 0. I am passing 0 here, and this one is here, and this one is here. K is equal to 0. Okay, what is this one? This one is from look at this here from Q. I have taken Q, the present state is 1. Okay, present state is 1 means this one will be 1. So what is this input then? I have taken from Q bar. I have taken connection from Q bar to J. So this will be 0. If Q is 1, Q bar is equal to 0. So we have taken a connection from Q bar to this AND gate input. So we have taken a connection from Q to this AND gate input. So Q is 1, Q bar is 0. So J is equal to 0 I have written. This clock is 0, it will be converted to 1. 1 I have written. 1 I have written. So 0 0 1 and 1 0 1. So the output will be 0. This AND gate, right? So in this both are 0 0. S will be 0, R will be 0. Okay, when look at this, what happens? S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0 means no state changes. So no state changes means S is equal to 0, R is equal to P is already existing right now. Before the transaction, P is in the previous state, P is 0 and P bar is 1. So no state means it will remain as it is. P will be 0 only, P bar will be 1 only now. Okay, so this half of the operation is happen only when clock is 0. When the clock moves from 0 to 1, so this part of the operation will get deactive. Now we need to concentrate on the second half of the circuit. So this, look at this connection. When clock moves from 0 to 1, this 1 will be passed here to here. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. So this P bar is 1 here, and what is this? 0. So 0 and 0, 0 and 1 is, what is 0 and 1? In case of AND gate, this is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. So when S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. So what will be the output? When S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, reset, Q is equal to 0. So Q will be 0 and Q bar will be 1. So if the present state is 0, the next state will be 0. It will be reset previous state. When Q is equal to 0, when J is equal to 0 and K is equal to 0. This is one thing. So let me go with, now the Q is 0, Q bar is 1. If Q is 0, P will become, okay, right. So now present state and the next state will be 0, because J and K means S and R, when both are 0 and 0, so it retains its previous state. I means no state change. No state change under one there, it retains its previous state under one there. So present state is 0, next state will be 0. So now Q will be 0, so Q bar will be 1. Okay, so let me go with the next condition. J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1. J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1. Okay, so look at this connection. This connection is from Q. Q is equal to 0, right? So write 0 here. So this is Q bar. If Q is equal to 0, Q bar is equal to 1. So if the clock is right now, the clock is 0. Okay, right now the clock is 0 means this will get 1. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. So 1 0 1 is 0, 1 1 0 is 0, S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0. So S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0 means P will be retains its previous state, nothing but if Q is equal to 0, this will be 1, right? If Q is equal to 0, P will be 1. So it retains its previous state. So this part of the operation is over. So once when the state clock is 0, when the clock moves from 0 to 1 like this, so it will change to 1. Okay, so then this will become 0. This part of the operation will be deactivated. So this is P is 1 and P bar is 0. Okay. Now okay, this part of the operation is deactive. Now this, when the clock changes from 0 to 1, this 1 will comes here. So this will be 1, this will be 1. So I made a mistake here. So actually this is 0. So this is this, for this flip flop, this P acts as Q. For this flip flop, this Q acts as Q itself. So this Q will be 0 itself. Okay, and this will be 1. This will be 1. Okay, so 0 and 1 is 0. I am like when the clock moves from 0 to 1, second part will be active. 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. So 0 and 1 is 1 and 1 is, this will be 0, this will be 1. So when R is 1 and S is 0, so what state it is? It is reset state. So Q will be 0 itself. Q bar is 1. Getting? So don't get confused. Let me tell it once again. So look at here. Let me assume Q is equal to 0. Okay. Q is equal to 0 means when Q is equal to 0, Q bar is equal to 1. This is clear, right? So let me take the input J is equal to 0 or K is equal to 0. For the first transaction, J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. Right. Clock is 0 now. So clock is 0 means this will be converted to 1. So when the clock is 0, master will be active, slave will be deactive. Clear? So okay. Clock is 0. This one I am writing here. This one. So J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. And this one, I got this one from Q bar. I have a connection from Q bar to here. Okay. I got this 0 from Q. Okay. So 101 is 0, 100 is 0. So S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0. It retains S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0 means it retains its previous state. So whenever so previous state is 0. So 0 means it will be 0 itself. So if it is 0, so 0 is here. So when the clock moves from 0 to 1. So when the clock moves from 0 to 1, changes from 0 to 1. So this part of the master will get deactive. Now the slave will be active. So I have taken connection from clock here to here. So this will be 1, this will be 1. If P is 0, P bar will be 1. So 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and 1 is 0. So S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. So that is nothing but the reset state. Q will be 0. So previously it was 0. It returns again back to 0. Because the combination J and K is 0 and 0. Got it? ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ಕ್ಯೂ ನಾವು 0 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಬಾರ್ 1 ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು J0 K0 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ J0 K0 ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 0, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 0. J is equal to 0 ಮಾಡೋಣ, K is equal to 1 now. J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1 now. Okay. So right now Q is equal to 0, Q bar is equal to 0. Q is equal to 0 means this Q bar is 1, right? I will take here 1. Okay, Q is equal to 0. I will take Q is equal to 0 here. So J is equal to 0. This will be 1. So 1, 1. So 1, 0, 1 is 0. 1, 1, 0 is 0. S is equal to 1, R is equal to 1. It retains its previous state. So what was the previous state? 0. So it will retain its previous state. This will be 1. This was the previous state actually. So 0, 1, it will retain, it won't changes, it will be same as this. So now the master is active. So once we're done with this, when the clock changes from 0 to 1, so this part will deactive. So now this 1 will be passed from here to here. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. 0 and 1 is 0. So 1 and 1 is 1. So what happens when J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1, that is nothing but S is equal to R is equal to 1. R is equal to 1, S is equal to 0 means it will reset to 0, right? So it will, no matter whatever the output is, it will reset to 0. So it will 0, already it is 0, so it will be reset to 0 itself. I mean it never changes. So this is the second combination. Okay. So let me go with the third combination. What is the third combination? When J is equal to 1, K is equal to 0. I will look at this. So J is equal to 0, K is equal to 1. So present state is 0. This is a present state. This next state will become present state for the next transaction. So next state will be 0 itself, reset state. So this is no change. This is reset state. Whenever K is equal to 1, J is equal to 0. This is set state. Now it has to change. The present state is now 0. It has to change to 1. Now I am going to deal with this. So I call it a set state. Let me change. Let me consider whether this Q will become 1 or not now. So again this Q, here it is 1. So next combination is K is equal to 0, J is equal to 1. This is 0, right? Sorry, this is 1. This is 1, and so if it is clock 0, this will be 0. Sorry, and this will be 1. 1, 1, 1 is 1. So So this 0 will be converted to 1. J I have taken it as 1. This 1 I have got it from Q bar. Q bar is 1 because Q is equal to 0. So now Q is equal to 0. I have taken connection from Q is equal to 0 from here to here. So Q is equal to 0, right? So I am supposed to write 0. So this is 1. 1 0 0 is 0. So S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. Okay. When S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0, that is nothing but a set state. P will become 1, P bar will become 0. Okay. So when clock moves from 0 to 1 now, so this part of the will be deactivated. Okay. Now this will get 1. This is 0. This is 1. 1 and 1 is 1. So this is 0. So S become 1, R becomes 0. S become 1, R is equal to 0 means set state. So Q will change to 1 now. So when Q changes to 1, this will be 0. This is your next 1 0 0 to change to 1. So now the Q is equal to 1, right? So now the present state is 1. So let me see what happens when both are 1 and 1 now. Okay. Now the Q is 1, Q bar will be 0. So Q bar is 0 means this will be 0. Okay. And Q is 1 means this will be 1, right? So right now the next combination is J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1. Last combination, J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1. So if the clock is 0, this will become 1. So 1 1 1 becomes 1 here. 1 1 0 becomes 0 here. S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. So when S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1 means this P becomes 0, this becomes 1. Reset state, no? So P becomes 0, P bar becomes 1. So after clock moves from 0 to 1, so this part will deactive, this becomes 1 and this becomes 1. 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. So S is 0, R is 1. So this is a reset state. What happens if the reset state happens? The output will be 0. So Q will now change to 0. So Q bar will be 1. So Q will change to 0. So I just told in the about toggle state, if the present state is 0, next state will become 1. If the present state is 1, next state will become 0. So that is what happens. The present state was 1, next state becomes 0 when the input J and K are 1 and 1. This is how you are supposed to trace out the JK flip-flop. In an examination, you are supposed to write this circuit, you are supposed to write this table, this characteristic equation. You need to explain what I just explained, all those things. Okay. This is with respect to the JK flip-flop.